Admin. Admin configuration to add a pizza menu item, not to be confused with configure pizza items. First thing you want to do is log in as admin with the password of admin. Click on go, and then we'll go directly to the manage items. And first thing we'll do is we'll review a item that has already been added as a pizza item, so you can take a look and see what the pizza configuration looks like. So here we have Roman focaccia pizza, and we'll want to go ahead and modify that. And as you can see here, we've put in the item title, the item category, and you have a number of categories to choose from. We want to leave it at pizza, and then where the item is actually available from. If you have multiple stores, you can select one or more or all of the stores. Here we're just going to leave it as all stores. Then we go straight into the item details. So again, you have the item name, the category is pizza. You can extend the description fairly well to whatever you'd like to include. So it may be 500 calories per slice, mozzarella by the pound, whatever you would like to put in there. To add pictures, it's very simple. Simply go in, browse, find the picture that you want to add, and then simply click on the picture, say open, and then the picture will be added to the item that you've entered. The base price is very important. The base price we have here is $4.95. You want to take whatever the smallest serving or the smallest pizza is, and then build the price from there up to whatever your current pizza cost is. So in this case, we have the smallest pizza, which is a personal pan pizza at $4.95. As you can see here, the default crust is focaccia, and then we have the personal pan pizza at $0 additional cost because the $4.95 directly relates to the personal pan pizza. For a medium pizza, we're going to add $5 to the cost of that focaccia pizza. If it's a large, we're going to add $8 to $4.95. And if it's a square pan pizza, we're going to add $11 to that $4.95 price to get the price for the other pizzas. So in this case, we're going to specify the personal pan pizza as a default, and then we'll select the toppings that we want to include. You can add all of these toppings in here if you wanted to sell this base pizza with all these ingredients, which I don't think you'd want to do. You can add all these ingredients to that personal pan pizza for $4.95, or you can say, look, the focaccia topping pizza is the only one we're going to add to this pizza, and the half topping cost is $0, the whole topping price is $0. That's $4.95. But if you wanted to give your customers the option to select mozzarella as an additional option for $1 for the whole topping or 50 cents for the half topping, you can leave that go, and then simply click on save, and then the pizza would be saved and rolled out to the menu. So here's all of the items again. Here's the Roman focaccia pizza we just modified. And so if you want to review how the pizza is going to look, I would highly recommend clicking on log out and then review the Roman focaccia pizza, which just happens to pop up here, and this does rotate. These items that appear here do rotate out. We'll look at Roman focaccia, and as you can see, the personal pan pizza is the default size. The crust is focaccia. The topping type is single, and that's on the full. Now the mozzarella, the customer wanted to add additional menu item, possibly, let's say, double the mozzarella. We want to do it on the full pizza, so it'd be $7.95 for that pizza. And we could also say pie cut, and please cook well. We'll be there 30 minutes. So left the instructions, the pictures, description, everything's in order. Customer has a very easy way of ordering the items. From here, the customer simply clicks on proceed. It will give them other opportunities to modify the order, but this is now showing what they just ordered. This is the customer, what they just ordered. So again, it has personal pan 6-inch, the focaccia crust. We want to have a single for the focaccia topping, full area. The mozzarella, we want a double on the full area. So the base cost $4.95, topping cost $3. Total order value $7.95. The delivery instructions is pie cut, and special instructions, please cook well, will be there in 30 minutes. So customer simply clicks on place order, continue, and again the customer has the opportunity of modifying the order by clicking on the action to modify what they just did. Again, if everything looks in order, the customer can proceed just to update it. They'll go back to the same checkout procedure here, and then finally they can simply increase the quantity or go to checkout, and then this will force them to log in. So it's a very nice feature here. The customer that can start to place the order, and then at the time they're ready to actually check out, it'll ask them to log in, or they can simply register to get in. So at this point they have now logged in. They can select the pizza store closest to them. And so with the tax and so forth, works out to $8.47. They can check out. It'll be for pickup. And at this point they can then click on, hey, fax the order to me, if they ask for the order to be faxed. And so this is the order header, the tax, subtotal, total order, with all the descriptions that your chef will be able to see. So you want the Roman focaccia pizza, single full area, mozzarella double full area, very well spelled out for not only the user but also for your chef. Cook well, will be there in 30 minutes. They can then click on send fax. The order is now officially placed, and the fax is on the way to your store as well as to your customer. So a great way to roll out your pizzas, get your product in front of your customers, and later on you will see how they'll be able to review orders that they have also just placed. And so you can see here, this is the order that was just placed, so they can repeat this order also. So again, great way to get the pizza rolled out. Be sure to watch the Configure Pizza video as well as this one to get the complete story.